guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna start my first mini scrapbook. I bought a pack of 4 notebooks through Amazon and I think it's 2.5 inches. It's made of thick buffalo leather and has a tight thread around it to keep it closed. Also, it has high quality papers inside. And I'm clipping it for stiffness. Even for this scrapbook, I had made some mini scrapbooking supplies. I don't think scrapbooking materials are expensive because I make them by my own. As I already told you that in one of my future videos, I'm gonna tell you how to make scrapbooking materials. I'll also upload a separate video for DIY mini scrapbooking supplies. Whatever I learn, I'll include some info about that in this scrapbook. Now, I'm taking little coffee cup to create coffee impression on the paper napkin. You can also use a normal coffee mugs. Actually, in this cup, it has a flat base. I don't want that. So I'm using the sipping part to make an impression. I love scrapbooking and I want to know your opinion, so comment about it. It's not only about using scraps. You can also write some quotes, stick some stickers, use some washi tapes, etc. I had also started another scrapbook. If you want to see, I'll give the link in the description below. Actually, I love using brush pens for creating different fonts, but as it is a small scrapbook, I had used a thin nibbed pen. I'm done. And guys, hope you would like this video, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting the notifications immediately. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.